purl two together is a decrease that's often used on the wrong side of the fabric, or on the right side of the fabric in a purl section, such as in the purl column of ribbing. Purl two together tends to lean to the left. So if you see here in the swatch I've made, the purl two together is right here. The corresponding right leaning increase is a slip slip purl, which I've done right here. Now if we flip those over, because they're not very noticeable here on the reverse side of the work, on the purl side of the work, but if we flip them over and look at them on the knit side, they are very obvious. So here is the slip slip purl, which looks just like a slip slip knit and leans to the left, but what we're focusing on in this video is the purl two together, which is the one over here that leans to the right and looks just like a knit two together. So how to purl two together is pretty simple, because it's just like doing a regular purl stitch, except that you work 2 stitches at the same time. So I'm going to just knit up to the spot where I am purling 2 together, and I will show you how to do it. I'll demonstrate first in the Continental style and then in the English style. So if you knit Continental, you'll just insert your needle into the top 2 stitches at the same time. Then wrap your yarn and purl like you normally do, bringing the yarn through both of those stitches and sliding them off the needle. If you knit English style, it's the same, but it looks a little different because you're holding the yarn in your right hand. So bring your yarn forward and insert your needle into the first 2 stitches, then wrap your yarn to purl and bring it through both those stitches at the same time and slide them off your left needle. So that's how to purl 2 together.